So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to turn a video into a gif on iPhone and also iPad. It's looking very cool and showing your emotion in shortcut when you chat and any other thing. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how we can convert a video into gif. Firstly, you need to open the shortcut app in your iPhone or you are using any iPad. Just open the shortcut app, tap on shortcut. Okay, now tap on galleries. You can see a person screen in the bottom showing a gallery. Okay, wait for a moment. In that section, you need to find a shortcut. Scroll down and find here a shortcut. As you can see all the gifs, just swap here and you can see a person screen video to gif. Just tap on that shortcut. Okay, after that you need to add that shortcut. Tap on add. I'm already add that, so just you need to keep add it and then go back and open the shortcuts. You can see a person screen shortcuts showing here. Tap on that shortcut and it will show all of your videos. Select one of them. You can see a person screen right now. I'm selecting that one and just trim that any area that you want to use that. Tap on save. It will take some time and you can see a person screen your video turn into a gif. Just tap the share. You can see a person screen and save image. Tap on done. That's it. So friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know how to convert a video into gif on iPhone and also iPad. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.